we're gonna go get free lunch from the school. 学校から無料ランチをもらいに行きます。We're here at a nearby elementary school.
Hi everyone! 皆さんこんにちは。
It's raining. It's sprinkling. ちょっと雨降ってます。Where are we?
At school.
And what are we going to do from now?
Get free lunch.
Yes. 今は休校中なので、学校側が無料でランチを提供してくれてます。School is closed, but during the school closure, the district is providing students with free lunch. So we're gonna go get our lunch.
This one, I don't know.
Which one?
Can I have this?
Oh, other one? What kind of milk?
Milk.
Milk for you too?
ミルクがいい。
明日ね。明日。
Here you go.
What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, they serve breakfast and lunch. 朝ごはんももらえるって。
We're back home.
Let's see what's inside. 全部出してみましょう。
Now.
This is a lot of food. So this is breakfast and lunch. Okay, Vina, what do we have?
We have pizza, hamburger, and milk, and salad, and applesauce, and apple juice, and cereal, and fruit.
何かな? Does the hamburger look good?
Kind of
Is it warm? Is
Not
it warm or cold?
cold.
It's cold. How about the pizza? Is it warm or cold? It's pretty cold. 結構冷たいよ。I think it was in the refrigerator.
This section is lunch, and this section is breakfast.
Who's gonna eat this pizza?
Me.
ケントがピザ食べるの?
でも半分こ。そうだ
You're
よ。
gonna split it in half?
Yeah. Can I open?
アメリカの給食はこんな感じです。アメリカの学校では朝食も breakfast も買うことできるんですけど、こんな感じです。If you buy lunch at school, it is usually $2.50. Since school lunch is supposed to be healthy, right?
Yeah.
So school lunch comes with one main dish and one serving of veggies and one serving of fruit, and the main dish is supposed to include some kind of protein.
ストローどこですか?
There's no straw. You're supposed to drink. Oh, you're not supposed to open it that way. You're only supposed to open one side.
Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.
Sounds good. Is it good, Kento?